on the ground.
It's my fault, cause I put icing on top. Now the boys wanna taste of the strawberry shortcake. That's my bad, no one's holding on to grab. Now the boys wanna taste of the strawberry shortcake.
Don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah, I don't wanna fall asleep, I don't wanna pass away. I've been thinking of our future cause I'll never see those days. I don't know why this has happened, but I probably deserve it. I tried to do my best, but you know that I'm not perfect. I've been praying for forgiveness, you've been praying for my health. When I leave this earth, hoping you'll find someone else. Cause yeah, we still young, there's so much we haven't done. Getting married, start a family, watch your husband with his son. I wish it could be me, but I won't make it off this bed. I hope I go to heaven, so I see you once again. My life was kinda short, but I got so many blessings. Happy you were mine, it sucks that it's all ending. For too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head.
I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah, hey.
Don't stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
Yeah. I'm happy that you're here with me. I'm sorry if I tear up. When me and you were younger, you would always make me cheer up. Taking goofy videos and walking through the park. You would jump into my arms every time you heard a bark. Cuddle in your sheets, sang me sound asleep, and sneak out through your kitchen at exactly 1:03. Sundays went to church, and Mondays watched a movie. Soon you'll be alone, sorry that you have to lose me. Too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out.
Oh, stick it down your throat. I'm watching from the bathroom, making sure I don't choke from the words you spoke when you're screaming at the mirror. Now you're sitting in the cafeteria, shutting clementines and orange bacteria. Down your throat a dozen times a year, yeah. Fooling those around of your bulimia. You turn oranges to orange juice, enter there and spit it out of you. Your body is imperfectly perfect. Everyone wants what the other one's working. No orange juice. I believe you chose to blow it on the reading carpet. That's what happens when you stuff it. Please say that you won't continue ordering oranges off the menu, stuffing up your mouth with tissue. The way you look is not an issue. You turn oranges to orange juice, enter there and spit it out of you. Your body is imperfectly perfect. Everyone wants what the other one's working. No orange juice. I wish I could give you much advice, 'cause I know your eyes ain't working. I wish I could tell you that you're fine, so fine. Your body is perfectly perfect. Everyone wants what the other one's working. No one wants you.